All right, today we're going to be unboxing a Pulsar custom mice. So I just received this after almost a month, and this is pretty exciting because, as you can see, I've been using generic gaming mouses for the longest time, and it feels very exciting that I can customize my own color or sensors to my liking. All right, let's look at what this box looks like. Well, this is definitely a very special box. It says Pulsar by you. And as you can see, it's a very well packaged box. And you can see the mouse spec here. It's a X2H medium. So I've went for the default battery option. And as you can see on the sticker, you can literally see my name here. Well, I'll probably edit that out, but it's fine. So you can see definitely this is something that I customized, I built. So opening this box up, you can see the color palette sort of follows the outer boxing. When you pull this protective paper out, well, the mouse comes into full view. So as you can see, I've opted for a very wacky color set with translucent main body and the more vibrant color feel for all of my main buttons and wheels. And then to the left, there is an initial section. In the bottom, you can definitely see how they've got holes just to reduce the weight of the mouse. And I've added a pair of glass gliders. Overall, very nice looking. As you can see, my previous mouse pales in comparison. All right. Putting that aside, as you can see, you can pull through this tab to reveal the manual and accessories. All right, so let's take the accessories aside for a moment. I don't think anyone wants to read the manual by watching a video. All right, All right, so the first thing we'll see here is an extension plug. So you can also customize the color of this. I chose translucent, and this is the mouse dongle. All right. And then as we open another accessory box, this should be the cable. Well, people watching this video will probably ask this question, Alex, why are you using, or why are you buying a mouse that has all these pink accents to it? Are you using it by yourself, or is this a gift? Well, I'll say this. I'm definitely using it as my daily driver. But the reason why I chose these colors is that, honestly, these colors don't really appear often in the more factory-made or more generic gaming mouses such as this, right? It's always going to be black or going to be white. You really don't see these more, wacky or more personal color. And I do feel that, in addition to these more darker mouses, having a mouse that is generally more sort of softer, has a softer color, does complement my collection by quite a bit. And as you can see, my keyboard is also somewhat of a lighter color in general, so that does play into the overall aesthetic. All right. Well, I hope that this mouse will serve me well, and thank you guys for going through this unboxing experience with me.